Welcome on MGSS YouTube channel. I Navkant Misra with you in this session, and I will discuss test paper 3rd. My dear student, the first and second question is related to two different rational numbers. Sum and multiplication of two rational numbers has been given. Suppose that you went to the market, you have purchased 1 kg apples and 1 kg mangoes, and you have expenses 100 rupees. The cost of mangoes were 30 per kg. What is the cost of apples or other fruits that you have purchased? Actually, such type of question, you have to subtract the sum of total 100 rupees you have expenses minus cost of the mangoes that you have purchased. Such type of question. Sum of two rational numbers are given in the book. One rational number has been given, and it is asked you that how can you find out other rational numbers? My dear student, one other rational number can be obtained. The sum of the rational number minus the first rational number that is given. Let's check by example. You can just see that the similar type of example I have just taken. Sum of two rational numbers has been given minus 1 upon 3, and one rational number has been given minus 11 upon 3. Then other rational number can be obtained, that sum of the rational number minus the first rational number. Minus 1 upon 3, that is the sum of the rational number minus, and the first rational number has been given minus 11 upon 3, and on doing the calculation you can just find out the result is 10 upon 3, and it can easily be converted in the mixed fraction. You don't forget to convert of the improper fraction into mixed fraction. That is a very good habit to solve the question. The other type of the question has been based on the product of two numbers. If sum has not been given, product has been given, then what to do? Actually, product of two numbers, two rational number has been given minus 28 upon 81. One rational number has been given 14 upon 27. Then how can you solve the question? If plus has been given, then you have to subtract. If subtract has been given, you have to add. If multiply has been given, then you have to divide. And if divide has been given, then you have to multiply. Simply, you have to just keep in the brain that plus and minus are inverse. If plus has been given, then minus. Minus has been given, then plus. If multiply and divide are inverse to other. If multiply has been given, then you have to divide, and if divide has been given, then you have to multiply. And now, since in this question product of two rational number has been given, so you have to divide by the first rational number, and this is the product of two rational numbers, and this is the first rational number. And when you divide, and I know that you know very well how to divide, and after the division you just get minus 2 upon 3, and it is the final answer that you achieved by division of in this given question. My dear students, now next question has been given. Cost of 15 pencil is equal to rupees 75 upon 2. Therefore, In this question, you need to find cost of one pencil is equal to rupees 75 upon 2 divided by 15, and therefore you can just see that 1 upon 15, 15 5 are 75. So finally 5 upon 2, and what it means? It means 2 rupees and 50 paisa. That is the cost of one pencil. And what you have just to get that for one pencil you have to divide to the total cost. Actually, in this question, length of each side of a square has been given 5 whole 3 upon 4. Since it is given in mixed fraction, you have to convert into improper fraction, and it will be 23 upon 4 meter. And now in this question, according to this question, you need to find out perimeter of the square. And how can you find out perimeter of the square? You know very well that perimeter of the square is equal to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. A square has how many sides? 4 sides. And this is why you have to just add side plus side plus side plus side 4 times. And it is generally represented by A. So actually it is equal to 4A. You don't understand? Look at. Actually this is a square. And if you ask the question with a square, bhaiya kaun ho? Actually it can easily be answered that I am square. I am actually this is A, B, C, D. Simple closed figure. Simple closed figure which is bonded by 4 line segments and whose all sides and each angle must be equal. And this is why you can just see that if its one side is A, actually its perimeter, you can obtain sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. It means what? A plus A plus A plus A, which is equal to 4A, means 4 into A side. You get replied by a square. A square tell you that I am the member of polygon, one of the member of polygon. And in this question, you need to find out perimeter of the square. And actually, perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into length of A side or one side. 4 into 23 upon 4 meter. 4 cancel, and it is equal to 23 meter. So finally answer is 23 meter. Hope you have enjoyed this session. This is a very short session because a short number of questions, very less number of questions is given in your test yourself, and mostly questions were given objectives, and you are able to solve all such questions, and you do not have any problem. If you have problem, don't forget to ask, my dear. You must ask, go through, because school has provided you my contact number, so you can contact and you can ask the question if you have. So stay safe at home, keep enjoying, and must watch MGSS YouTube channel. Thank you very much.